been at the Platinum Suite for our event for the past 4 or 5 years now, and it's a perfect venue for us. It's a great space with the 3 different levels. It means that we can have full flexibility with our event, and it's a great way for us to build a bespoke event each year that's different but still in a space that we know and love.
I like how it's laid out. I think it's nice that we're not all on top of each other.
Excel's massive. I mean, it's a massive events venue and looks amazing. Walking in, I was very impressed. It was very large, it was very bright and airy, and I felt like, okay, I'm in somewhere fancy and professional. I really liked walking in the green walls along the sides.
The upstairs that we're in terms of the presenting space, I presented on the stage last year in that room. Your voice travels really nicely, and when you're up there, you feel really empowered about the space, and I think that's what's really lovely about it.
Like, I really like the space. Actually, when we came here, I was thinking about other things you could do here. I like how wide the space feels. It's very wide. It's enough space to walk around. I like how it's laid out, the layout of the floors and everything. I like how much light you get in this space. It's quite cool. Also, I just like the interior design and decoration.
It's great because it can be reached on both the DLR and the Elizabeth line now, which is fantastic. And equally, there's a huge giant car park if anyone wanted to drive as well.
Literally just got the tube in, got off the Elizabeth line and just walked in, really.
I came from just outside Leicester kind of way. Elizabeth line, shout out to that because that has saved so much time of my journey this morning.
It was very easy to get here, just on the Elizabeth line, under 20 minutes from central London, so it was fantastic.
One of the reasons that we love working with the Excel, and especially within the Platinum Suite, is that everything's contained. So everything from your catering to your audio visual, everything you could possibly need is all in-house, and that's brilliant. I would say especially for Anna Valley, like, we love working with Anna Valley. They are so just kind, welcoming, understanding, patient with me when I don't understand all the technical terms that they're doing. And again, because they know the space inside out, they make me as an event organiser feel super safe, really comfortable with our event, and super confident that whatever happened, we've got them on hand and they know what they're doing.